A 2-year-old Illinois Supreme Court decision is creating financial troubles for one local hospital. Carthage Memorial Hospital is in a dispute with the Illinois Department of Revenue over an exemption in property taxes.
KHQA's Brooke Hash explains that it all comes down to the issue of charitable giving.
The Department of Revenue has a job to do to determine whether Illinois hospitals qualify for property tax exemptions, those based on charitable contributions to the communities they serve. Currently, it's looking at an appeal from Carthage Memorial Hospital, who received these exemptions until 2010.
Because of the Provena case, that was all put on hold by the Department of Revenue.
In 2010, the Illinois Supreme Court decision narrowly defined what constitutes a charitable contribution, placing some hospitals like Carthage in a position where it would now have to pay property taxes. To get an exemption, a charity would have to meet several criteria. It derives its funds mainly from private and public charity. It dispenses charity to all who need and apply. It does not provide gain or profit in a private sense to any person connected with it, and places no obstacles in the way of those who need charity. This would not include health fairs and screenings, along with Medicaid and Medicare reimbursement, areas smaller hospitals like Carthage Memorial have considered charity.
Because of that, we're being held back from having that exemption. That exemption costs us quite a bit.
More than $150,000 a year.
Where you provide the charity care has become the issue. And so the Department of Revenue has said it needs to be in the hospital, and we're saying if we do it within the county, if we do it in conjunction with our health department, if we do it in conjunction with others, that should count, because we are actually providing care at a cost, but not a cost to the public.
The hospital appealed to the governor's office to delay a Department of Revenue decision. Pope believes there can be a legislative fix to this problem.
That is money that could be used for staff or services that we don't have available that we would have had we had the exemption.
While the hospital waits its fate, it's currently put a freeze on salaries and hiring. This comes at a time when the hospital, like many others, are already suffering from Medicaid and Medicare cuts. Brooke Hash, KHQA News, Carthage, Illinois.
No decision has been made by either Governor Pat Quinn or the Department of Revenue.